Whether you are just fresh out of an argument with someone or whether it happened some time ago, this tapping session is here to help you to wind down and regain your center after an argument. My name is Jennifer Harmony and I will be guiding you in the practice of EFT tapping. So let's get started. No fluff, no filler. Backside of the hand, taking a big deep breath into your belly. Exhaling with a sigh and repeating back after me. We're just going to acknowledge some of the negative stuff that's probably swirling around in your mind and change any of the wording as it works for you. So if I'm saying, I'm so mad, but you're actually feeling really sad, then just change the word to sad. All right, let's get started. So repeating back after me. I am so mad about this argument. Between the eyebrows. This argument with, and then say the person or the people's name. I'm going to just use John for an example. To the sides of the eyes. This argument with John. Tapping under the eyes. I can't believe that they would say this. Tapping under the nose. I am furious. Tapping under the lips. And I have every right to be mad about this. Tapping to the chest. I feel disrespected. And really annoyed. Tapping to the front of the ribs. I love and accept myself, even with these intense emotions. Tapping to the side of the body. I love and respect myself, even though this argument has brought up a lot for me. Tapping to the wrist. And part of me wants to stay mad. To the back side of the hand. Part of me is saying that I have every right to be angry about this. But the truth is anger is not really feeling very good in my body. Tapping up to the top of the head. Yeah, it's helping me feel powerful. But it's possible in the fight, flight, freeze response. I'm just currently in fight. Doing the eyebrows. So I'm open to the possibility, to the sides of the eyes, of releasing some of this emotion into the eyes so that I can come back to my center. Tapping under the nose. And I can start to see how to move forwards. Big deep breath. Tapping under the lips. I like the idea of having clarity around this argument. Tapping to the chest. I love the idea of having clarity around this argument. Tapping to the front of the ribs. Because continuing to be really upset about it is not really helping. To the side of the body. But I give myself permission to be upset about this argument for the next 10 years if I choose. Tapping to the wrist. If I want to stay this upset about the argument for the next 10 years, I give myself permission. To the back side of the hand. Or 5 years, 3 years, 1 year. Okay, maybe I'll be upset about this for the next 6 months. Actually, probably by the next 3 months, I'm not going to care about it so much. Up to the top of the head. It's possible that in a month, it's not going to feel so intense. Doing the eyebrows. And probably in a week, I'm going to feel different. Up into the sides of the eyes. It's even possible that in 3 days, I'm not going to feel so charged. Big deep breath. Tapping under the eyes. So I wonder if it's possible for me to release some of the trigger and the charge right now. Tapping under the nose. Part of me is ready to feel a bit calmer about this. Tapping under the lips. To feel a bit more at peace with this argument with John. Tapping to the chest. And to actually see things a bit more clearly. Tapping to the front of the ribs. Deep breath. You're doing so good. I know this can be intense, so well done for like staying with me. Tapping to the side of the body. I forgive myself for being so upset by this argument. Tapping to the wrist. I forgive myself for being so upset by this argument. Tapping to this back side of the hand. And I'm open to feeling a bit more at peace with this argument with John. I'm ready to feel a bit more at peace about this argument. Even though they were an idiot. Top of the head. I also know I'm not totally an angel. Doing the eyebrows. And it's possible that if I release this charge and trigger around the argument with John, I'm going to see more clearly how to move forward. To the sides of the eyes. Because the truth is, when I'm calm and in my center, I make much better decisions. Tapping under the eyes. And so I'm choosing to return to my center now. The nose. I'm choosing to let go of some more of this trigger and charge. Into the lips, deep breath. Because I care about my nervous system. And I actually like feeling calm and peaceful. Up into the chest. I'm open to seeing this argument for what it was. And I'm letting myself calm down now. Run to the ribs. I'm letting myself calm down and return to my center. Creating harmony and balance inside of me. Tapping to the side of the body. I'm ready to see the next step here. Maybe I need some time and space away from John. Tapping to the wrist. Maybe I need to set better boundaries. Maybe I need to get clear on what I need. Into the back side of the hand. And even though there's still a sneaky little part of me that doesn't want to let this go until I get an apology, I see you. I love and accept myself. Tapping up to the top of the head. Even if I never get an apology from John, it's still possible for me to let this go. Doing the eyebrows, and it's actually empowering to me to let this go. Between the side of the eyes. I'm empowering myself by returning to my center. Under the eyes. Because peace is my superpower. Under the nose. Peace is my superpower. Under the lips. Calmness and loving myself are my superpowers. Into the chest. And I'm ready to feel calm and peaceful now. Into the ribs. I'm ready to feel calm and peaceful even though I argued with John. Deep breath. Side of the body. I am strong and confident. I'm relaxed and peaceful. Wrist. I am happy. I'm relaxed. And I am loving. And I'm letting my whole body and mind relax now. Amazing. Well done making it all the way to the end. So please like this video, subscribe to my channel, leave me a little comment, even if it's just a few little emojis. It means so much to me. I adore reading your comments. And it's also a way that you can support me and the work that I'm doing, because as you like and comment, it means that these videos are seen by a lot more people. So thank you for helping me spread the word of self-love. And I also want to invite you to my 5-day free tapping challenge, where you get a video every day for 5 days and you tap along to release stress and worry and negative blocks and to have more confidence and self-love. Information's down below. I also work one-on-one with people with EFT to go back into childhood, painful memories, and rewire your brain. Let go of the beliefs that are no longer serving you so you can write a new story for yourself. It is incredibly powerful work, and yeah, I get so clients tell me that it changes the trajectory of their life and they like have a personality overhaul, and yeah, I just want that for you as well. So if you're interested, the information is in the description. I also have an online course where you can learn to use EFT tapping by yourself, on yourself, create your own scripts. All that is down below. So until, and I have more than 125 other tapping videos on this channel as well. So do some more tapping with me and come back to this video anytime you need it. So until next time, remember that every single part of you is worthy of love.